Today I will show you how to replace the vacuum cleaner belt. This is a Hoover wind tunnel pet model. The brush here stopped spinning. As you can see, I can spin it with my hand. So I'll show you how to replace it. First step is to remove the screw. Hard to do with one hand. Next step is to slide this to the side, and this should come off, as you can see. So let's check out this belt. That is the problem, is the belt is worn out. So this roller here should just slide out. And let's take it out here. Put it there. Then you just slide this back here. And then here you just slide it out. Here's my new belt. I bought it because it says it's for Hoover wind tunnel. So let's see. Put my camera down here. Now you want to compare the two belts. Stretched out belt. Yes, it's just very stretched out. So we'll try it right now. So you want to slide this here. Just slide it in through there. And slide it in down here. And then pull it back. So the new belt goes on very tight. I had to do it with two hands. I had to put down the camera and really stretch this part here, make it fit in here and here. So I really had to stretch it out with two hands. I needed both hands. I couldn't record that part, but simply ensure you have the belt on the bottom roller and here. Now you just have to go in reverse order. Install the bracket back on. Just put the bolt back and just tighten this. You don't really need a drill. And now we'll just test.